subdomain section. After connecting domain to hosting, they are first we have to install WordPress in a website.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first I will create a domain. So in domain also we have subdomains. Subdomains mean in domain we get an extension of .com.
Mm-hmm.
Here I have a domain of genamvelugunews.com.
Mm-hmm.
This is my website. So here this is the URL of the website.
Where actually that's what the top side is not visible.
So here, okay, sir. This is the URL of the website. genamvelugunews.com is called domain name.
Mm-hmm.
So in domain name we can create subdomains.
Mm-hmm.
Subdomains mean with an extension of domain name.
Okay.
For example, here I have genamvelugunews.com as my domain name.
Mm-hmm.
Here .com is the extension,
Mm-hmm.
but for subdomains, genamvelugunews.com will be the extension.
Mm-hmm.
Here before domain name, we can keep any names. For
Mm-hmm.
example, I'll create a name, right?
So any number of subdomains we can create.
No, sir.
Each subdomain will be charged or what?
No. But while we are buying hosting, and we may buy hosting like three subdomains, or we get the number of subdomains. We can take unlimited domains also.
Not allowed. What?
Also, also we can connect to many number of domains to the same hosting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
In
that's
host
is
in one hosting plan, we may host two websites or more than two.
mm-hmm.
We may host unlimited website also,
Okay.
but
So
it
so
charges
in
more.
generally speaking, in simple terms, hosting means storage space, you know.
Storage space.
Yeah, and host ID
Storage-
refers to the address, you know.
Okay.
The
We
same.
first also we control the every all domain activity in the hosting only.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
We can control domain activities in hosting.
Okay. So just for
Also,
demonstration purpose, can you create one subdomain, just a dummy
yes,
subdomain, so that
yeah, I'm creating a subdomain.
something like testing or something. We'll just do all the testing and stuff, demo purpose. After the demo, you can delete it like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. So here I'm creating a subdomain.
So they will not charge anything for creating
No,
subdomains.
for subdomains they will not charge because here the extension is our domain name only.
Okay. Okay.
That's why they don't charge any fee extra.
Mm-hmm.
Here I have created testing.generavenuenews.com. This is our website.
So when we open this now, it will open up.
No,
Can I
sir.
try?
First we have to install WordPress. Also in hosting they provide some facilities.
Mm-hmm.
Here these are the all facilities. Here we can manage everything of our domain.
Mm-hmm.
So add-on domains means we can add many domains. We can host two websites in one hosting only.
Mm-hmm.
Some are useful. Backup means we can backup up
Take a backup. Okay.
before changing domain themes or something.
Mm-hmm.
We can backup here. Our data we can backup here. They give a file.
Mm-hmm.
Also here we have disk usage. We are unusable. Email accounts. They give our professional business email account also.
Mm-hmm.
Hosting plan only they provide Gmail account.
Yeah, I
Professional.
understand. Yeah.
My here we use only some facilities like add-on domains, backups, remote MySQL, subdomains. Subdomains are important. So in this one, we have four major facilities. One is cPanel.
Mm-hmm.
cPanel means control panel.
Mm-hmm.
In control panel, we control everything.
Mm-hmm.
In PHP MyAdmin, we control
Mm-hmm.
all credentials like login ID, password, and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
users are.
So can we install Moodle on in this hosting thing?
Yes, but we have to an account on Moodle also.
No, account. You see, Moodle is a freely available software. It's an open
Okay, sir.
source software. Anyone
We,
can download it and he can host it anywhere.
okay, sir. We can install anything.
Mm-hmm.
After first we have to provide hosting. After buying a hosting, we can do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that a website can be
No,
installed.
I'm more interested
First,
in two things. I'm interested in using it for education purpose only. Okay. So let's
okay, sir.
not go to any other stuff. So just explain the blog, how to install
First,
WordPress blog.
first we have to install WordPress, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
how to
So
install
here
that?
we will be installing WordPress. Here down we have WordPress Manager. Here
Okay. Mm-hmm.
in WordPress Manager, we will go to WordPress Manager. Here we have new installation button.
Mm-hmm.
In this we select Prime. Here in first box we have to select our main domain name.
Okay. Main domain name.
Main domain name in this protocol. Here is protocol. This is very important. Is important. Here we have four types.
Mm-hmm.
One is HTTP.
Mm-hmm.
HTTP is // www HTTPS.
Yes, will be
Here
safer. No?
S will be safer.
Mm,
Without S will be not secure. It
yeah.
show some here it show some not secure
Yeah. So message will
uh,
come. Yeah. Not
message.
secure.
Right.
Yeah.
Message. So here we have to select HTTPS only.
Mm-hmm.
Here domain name. So we created a
Domain
domain
name
name
is testing. No.
testing.
Okay.
Testing dot.
Okay.
Here is a here it is. So we have to create a password also.
Okay. So these passwords and all, they are not safe to be shared on
Okay,
YouTube,
sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
So I'll just remove it.
After creating this, I'll reshare the screen. Right. Wait.
Okay. 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 That's best. That's best. Okay. So for those who don't know, those who have joined with us live on YouTube and those who have joined for live discussion here, let me explain. Sanat Kumar here is a student of mine at Methodist College, and I was facing a little bit of problem in setting up my WordPress account, and he volunteered to help me out with the same. Okay, so that's what he is doing right now. So he has just set up a testing account on his domain where he is hosting his website, and he will just be giving us a demo about how to create the hosting for WordPress account and how to include analytics with it and try to get some money out of it by use of advertisements, Google advertisements. Okay, some more students are joining us here. So those who have joined here, if you have any doubt, if you want to talk, you can unmute yourself and you can talk more. Speaker Vaishnavi, if you want to talk a little, any doubts you have or anything you want to talk, you can unmute and talk. Actual session for engineering graphics will be holding at 6 p.m. today because a lot of students voted to conduct uh, this session, the engineering graphics session at 6 p.m. today. B section, around more than 30 students have voted for 6 p.m. time. A section only few students had voted for 2 p.m. So I'm utilizing the 2 p.m. session for other purpose, yeah, purpose other than engineering graphics. Okay. I have shared the YouTube streaming link on your WhatsApp group as well as the link to join here for discussion. So those who are joining, they can unmute yourself and they can talk to me. They can give your suggestions. If you know about some technologies that we can use for learning purpose, you can let me know about that. If you have used any app anywhere on Android or iOS that you found very useful in understanding the subject matter, you can talk about that as well. If your interest is specifically connected to engineering graphics, I suggest you to join at 6 p.m. stream today evening. Okay. Hmm.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So I have already created domain. I'll use that
Okay.
subdomain. So
So share your screen once again.
share your screen.
Instead of sharing just a window, I think it's better if you share the whole screen so that we can see the
There
address
is a
bar
problem.
also. Is there a problem?
Okay, it will be a problem, sir. Little bit.
Okay.
It will show like this.
Okay, so I can see your screen. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Is it
this is
clear?
better. This is better. This is better.
Okay, sir. Okay. So after installing WordPress, we have to go to our domain. I am using a already created a subdomain. Okay, I'll use that now.
We created testing.janam Velugana.
No, that it right now it is in under construction. That's why
Mm-hmm.
it has a some issue.
Okay, okay,
That's why I'm using this domain.
okay, fine.
Here, after coming to our website, in the website URL, we have to enter slash wp hyphen
Admin.
admin.
Okay.
Enter.
Spelling mistake is there, I think.
Okay, sir. Right. Slash wp admin. After entering this,
Mm-hmm.
oh, it will take to this screen.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have to enter the ID and password
Mm-hmm.
that we gave on our hosting plan.
Okay.
I'll use this.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the main WordPress dashboard. Okay. Now we have successfully created a website and also we have installed WordPress.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so first of all, we have to install a theme to our website.
Mm-hmm.
In the left side, there will be menu bar. In menu bar, we have to go to appearance and themes.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have themes. So here is pre-installed theme. We'll bring a pre-installed theme.
So most of them will be free, right?
Okay. Most of them will be free. So we can buy some premium themes also.
Okay.
In this section, we use free theme.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go to add new. Then here are these are all free themes.
Mm-hmm.
So we can use this theme. I am using this theme called Astra.
Mm-hmm.
This is the theme. We have to activate it. Just by clicking activate, the theme will be activated.
Mm-hmm.
In this, so we have created we go to
Mm-hmm.
site. Once first check how is it looking. Wait a minute. Okay, we have successfully installed theme also. So this is our theme.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have customize button.
Mm-hmm.
So in this theme section, we have customize button.
Mm-hmm.
Just go to customize button.
Like a
We can edit.
background and other stuff we can replace, right?
Okay. We can edit the theme details. We get pre-installed posts in this theme along this theme, so we can edit this.
Mm-hmm.
In this, we have header. I'll take it.
So all this I can manage on my own, no problem with this. It is very simple. So you were telling that AdSense can be included in it, and
Okay, sir. So first, we have to install a theme, right?
mm-hmm. After theme we will get there.
After theme, I'll tell the AdSense.
Okay, fine.
AdSense has it's a very big process.
Mm-hmm.
That's why after this basic things, we'll go to AdSense.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First, we have in this customize section, we have many tools.
Mm-hmm.
So first, we learn every tool individually. So here mm, in this section, we have a site title, also display site title. This is the site title.
Mm-hmm.
In this section, so here in Google, this top is called site title.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have some menu bar. Global means every in home page we can edit every post and also everything.
Mm-hmm.
We can manage here our posts and pages.
Mm-hmm.
Here header builder. Header builder means the menu bar.
Menu bar.
Menu bar is called header.
Okay.
Tags in sidebar also. Footer builder. Footer builder means in the down of the page we get contact us button, right?
Mm-hmm. So
We
this
get also
header footer
our
will repeat on
Instagram
all the
handles,
pages.
other social medias. That is header footer.
Yeah, header footer will repeat on all the pages, right?
Yes, sir. No, are not all the pages. We will what pages to display.
Mm-hmm. We can choose
We,
where
we
it
have
should
we
display.
have we have to create the header.
Mm-hmm.
We have the header and site identity menus. Menus is also same. In menus bar
Mm-hmm.
in menus section we create header builder. We create headers.
Mm-hmm.
In menu section we can edit the we can edit headers and also footers also.
Okay. Yeah, once we have
So
edited it, the same
okay.
will appear on every page, right?
So yes sir.
Yeah.
The same will appear on every page also. So after so we have completed header also.
Mm-hmm.
We can use this option in this also. Appear in appearance we have customize button, widgets,
Mm-hmm.
menus, Astra options. Astra these are some theme options.
Theme specific
We
options.
just ignore it. In this appearance section we have menus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This section will be belongs to headers and footers.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go to the main part of this session. First, if you want something new in our website, we have a basic tool
Mm-hmm.
or basic thing that is called plugins.
Mm-hmm.
So this is very important while hosting a website.
Okay.
We have no plugins here. First, we'll start from Google.
Okay.
We have a Google plugin called Google Site Kit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in the search bar we search This is a Google Sidekick plugin.
Mm-hmm.
This this is a Google Sidekick plugin. So this is very important plugin of while hosting a website.
Mm-hmm.
First we have to install the plugin. Just clicking the install. Okay. So we have to activate the plugin. Okay. It's successfully activated. So start. Click start. From here, it's very important. So we have to check the boxes. This plugin is provided by Google to manage our
Analyze.
website,
To
to
analyze
analyze,
the.
and also this belongs to site console, and by this plugin only we tell that how many with all posts and pages which are created by us will be shown to Google by this plugin only.
Mm-hmm. So how many people are opening our website and all those things we can.
That all things will be shown here.
Okay.
Yes. It's refreshing. Oh, checking compatibility. I have to set up this. Setting. Um, I have to check the boxes also. To check these all boxes.
Mm-hmm.
So we are logging with our Google account. So here we have to set up SiteKit account.
Mm-hmm.
This is important. Okay. So verify. Just loading. Hello. We have to give everything permission.
Mm-hmm.
Setup by click by pressing status. It's loading. Next. Just we have to click next and go on. It
Mm-hmm.
will come to the dashboard itself.
Okay.
Okay. So here you have to select the time Indian time. So create a okay we have create a group site kit account.
Mm-hmm.
Create a, will take some time. Create site kit.
What is the minimum charge for monthly basis if I want to spend on this? If I want to create my own blog, how much I
Site
have to
site
spend?
kit will site kit won't take any charge.
No, no, not SiteKit. I'm talking about hosting space. First thing I will require is hosting space and host ID, right?
Hosting space.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. In hosting, most of the websites provide hosting by charging in dollars,
Mm-hmm.
but some hosting plans like Hostinger will charge in rupees.
Mm-hmm.
So I take here I have hosting plan. Here I have this hosting plan.
Mm-hmm.
This is a hosting plan I have $3.95 per month.
$3.95 per month. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Around $4. $4 means around 400. Little less than 400, right?
Yes, sir.
350 or
Yes, sir.
something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
So here it has it created an account.
okay.
So we have just tick box. You have to we have to tick all the boxes.
Mm,
So it asks permissions. वगैरह वगैरह. That's it. Okay, go to my dashboard. Success. We have created successfully account. In this site kit only, we can add AdSense also.
okay. So first we have to add site kit. In that we have to add AdSense.
First, we have to add site kit on Google.
Mm-hmm.
Site kit on our website
Mm-hmm.
by using plugin section.
Okay.
By using plugins only, we can do anything in our website.
Yeah, that was clear. That was clear on
Okay,
that.
sir.
So
Okay.
then
So
inside this, yeah, now we are in site kit, right?
okay. Now we are in site kit. It's gathering site data. We have no traffic yet, but because we have
We
just
just now
created a
created it,
subdomain.
yes.
Okay, we don't have any traffic.
Mm-hmm.
Traffic means the
Yeah,
public
no one is
who comes to
visiting our
the.
website. So if I open
Yes.
your site now, will it show up here? I'll just open it from other windows. Sanath
sanatkumar.janamvelunews.com.
uh, dot
janamvelugunews.com.
genum
Velugu
.com.
news.com.
GENUM
JANAM.
JANAM.
Sir, I share that.
Have you shared it? Where? Janam Velugu. Yeah. Janam Velugu news.com.
News.com.
Yeah. The site is open. The first page is visible.
Okay, sir. So,
You can see here I have loaded your website. You can't see my screen, right?
okay. Okay.
When you refresh, it will show up. I'm just refreshing it as many times
Here,
as
so
possible.
active one
Sure.
user last. Yes.
It's a page
Okay, I got a user here.
Okay, fine, perfect.
Active.com.
If the same person is refreshing it many times, it will just count as one.
So if the same person refresh many times, it counts as impressions.
Impressions. Okay.
Impressions means the number of times the site has shown.
Mm-hmm.
Also, apart from impressions, we have users. Users means the number of people.
Mm-hmm.
So in AdSense, the money will generate as according to impressions only.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
From this Google Analytics, we can analyze everything of our site. Now, we have a main plugin called Yoast SEO.
Mm-hmm.
We just go to plugins. First, we have SEO. SEO means search engine optimization.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is the plugin we will use now. This plugin will help us to rank us on Google.
Mm-hmm.
Google will rank website as per the user need.
Mm-hmm.
So this plugin will help us to rank on Google. So
Mm-hmm.
we have we just activate a plugin. Okay. Okay, it has. It provides a search bar in our website also.
Mm-hmm.
It provides search bar also.
Search bar will be from Google, no?
Oh yes, sir. Search bar. No, no, no. Google will not provide search bar.
Mm-hmm.
We have to install that in. So we can install search bar in two types.
Mm-hmm.
In settings, you have against those SEO. So this is SEO plugin.
Mm-hmm.
We may do so. Show just in a domain. We are also have three types. Okay. So okay now this is website URL.
Mm-hmm.
This is website title and this description. This is called description. So
Okay.
this will be managed using SEO.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For example, post just something. So
Oh, yes. I'm listening.
while posting
Mm-hmm.
in the down here we have used SEO.
Mm-hmm.
We got a new option called used SEO. In this, we'll edit anything. So here the interface where what Google shows the user.
Mm-hmm.
Here we can edit this interface.
Mm-hmm.
This site URL. Also we have after site URL we have P is equal 35.
Mm-hmm.
Did we this look also we can edit this also in this dashboard. I will just go to dashboard. We edit this after later. First slug SEO title meta description.
Mm-hmm.
This meta description is nothing but this this thing.
Mm-hmm.
This description meta description is this. This is meta description.
Mm-hmm.
This title also this is the URL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we are now going to edit this. Okay. So we have one thing here in this URL side of the URL we have page name.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have these settings also. One thing we have to know this settings section we have permalinks.
Mm-hmm.
So permalinks. Permalinks is nothing but the link which is provided to our new post.
Okay. New post or new page, right?
Okay. Okay. First we have first we just post publish this. So we have just published a post
Mm-hmm.
here. This is our new post. So but in our domain name we are getting this what trash.
Okay. So if you want to remove the trash, we can
So,
change the permalink.
okay. If you want to remove this trash thing, we have to change the permalink. In permalink section, we'll be having this.
I have good understanding about permalinks. You can skip this. Next.
So
Mm-hmm.
now we have to create a Google AdSense account.
Mm-hmm. That's the
So
one I'm
we'll
interested
just
in.
go to AdSense. Google.
The same AdSense account can connect our YouTube channel as well as website, right?
No, no, sir.
No.
In previous, we have the option, but after this lockdown, they have removed this option.
Mm-hmm. So for YouTube, we need a separate AdSense account,
Oh, yes, sir.
and for
If
website we have
if you
to.
are previously using this, if you are previously using this AdSense,
Mhm.
they'll give same account.
Okay.
But after that,
New account if we create, it won't give.
first,
Huh?
okay, we just create account. We just sign into Google. We have to create a Google account now, AdSense account.
Okay.
It's loading.
Suppose I right now have my own YouTube AdSense account. Okay. And can I connect the
No, sir.
same? Can I use the same AdSense account for advertising on my blog? Is it
No, sir.
possible? Not possible.
No. Previously,
That
AdSense were
that
used
AdSense,
to,
yeah. I had created AdSense
were
long time back.
used to YouTube
Mm-hmm.
and as well as website also.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have another AdMob.
Mm-hmm.
Some may use AdMob and some may use AdSense. AdMob is nothing but it's a another branch of AdSense. Like
Mm-hmm.
so, we use AdMob for applications.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for apps now.
Applications also we can use for website also
Mm-hmm.
ads.
That's what
We use
that was
for
another doubt I
applications
had.
AdMob.
That was another doubt I had. As I
Yes,
told,
sir.
there is an app called Edimet which you had created, and I wanted to display some
Yes, sir.
ads over that also. I was not able to
No,
execute it properly. I tried to watch some YouTube videos and uh, watch some websites, took help from forums and all, but I wasn't able to do that.
yes, sir.
So, do you
Oh,
know how to
yes.
do that?
Yes, sir.
You know how to do
Sir,
that? Hmm?
you said that app is created on base of website, right?
Yeah, it was
Website is converted to uh,
not a website actually. You can say that it
uh,
was coded in HTML and JavaScript.
uh,
Okay.
so that app is not converted from website, right?
Website, what do you mean by website? It is not published website. I
Uh,
created it offline using HTML and JavaScript. If you want, I'll
no,
show it to
okay,
you.
that's
Yeah.
correct.
Do you
So
understand?
that will be managed in AdSense also.
AdSense also. No?
We have they'll provide a file called ads.txt.
Mm-hmm.
Ads.txt. We
Mm-hmm.
have to install that key in our code, source code.
Okay.
It's website is not loaded. Okay.
On an average, on in a week, how many people open your website?
In a way, that depends
On an average, I'm telling.
on an average.
Mm.
On an average, it's approx 1k to 2k.
Okay, 1K to 2K.
That depends on number of posts
Yeah, of course,
we upload on our
yeah,
website.
all those deciding factors will be there.
Yes, sir. The website is not loading in AdSense.
AdSense, yeah, that That
think it has
website
some
has
issue.
it issue. Sometimes it won't load. You have to click on sign in, I think.
So I'm clicking, I'm signing, but the website is not loading. I think the website has some problem.
Bear with this.
It's not loading properly.
Yeah, even I faced this problem sometime back.
Right.
So one basic question. So whatever you are earning
What's
by advertisements, is that amount sufficient to
yes?
for hosting purpose and all, to pay for hosting around?
No, sir.
No.
At initial stages, that amount will not sufficient.
Mm-hmm.
After getting more traffic, it will be 20, more than enough.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, that is not sufficient, but I'm trying.
Okay. That's what even I'm not interested in investing anything extra into this. So if it is possible to if it is
In
self-sustained.
start, yeah, yes, sir. In starting also, I didn't invest any money,
Mm-hmm.
but after getting my first payment, I'm started investing.
Okay. First payment minimum, how much
First,
is there any threshold that we have to cross, or they will pay any amount whatever is
yes, sir.
calculated?
In AdSense, we have $100 threshold.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Within 6 months it will
Will take
within 6 months
no, sir.
$100 were completed for you.
No, sir. No
How much
time
time it
limit
took?
will be not there.
How much time it took for you first time?
We can take anything anytime.
No, for you, how much time it took? I'm just curious about it.
For me,
Mm-hmm.
no, I didn't get from AdSense.
Mm-hmm.
I get from another sources.
Acha.
I don't actually I have other source of income also.
Mm-hmm.
I'll use that income in this AdSense.
Acha. Acha. Mm.
This thing.
Mm-hmm.
Here some issues. It's not loading.
Okay, we'll visit it again some other time. So let's shift our discussion to the app development. I'll just show
Okay.
you what I have done, and if you have any suggestions or if you can improve it further, you can share your ideas regarding that. Okay. So I'll share my screen quickly. Can you see my screen?
So it's loading. Yes, sir.
So yes. It's been a very long time. I don't even remember where I kept it. I can create ready-made source code. Yes.
Yes, some case also. I'll share that.
Android APK, screenshots, APK files, www. There it is. Okay, so this is what the page looks like. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and if you see its code, if you are interested in the code, you open it in Notepad. So this is the code. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir. It's not clear, but here in Google AdSense they provide a key.
Mm-hmm.
They provide a key.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, in seventh line we have head.
Head down. Yeah, it
Header.
is here. Yeah.
Okay. There we have to install that key.
Okay.
In between one head and another head, we have to paste that key.
Mm-hmm.
they are in our every part of our source code.
Okay.
So by that, the ads will be shown in our app
Okay.
or website. Or
Mm-hmm.
website also same case.
Okay.
Also, we may use AdMob also.
Okay. That's what
AdMob
I was unable to do that. Tried on my own, but I wasn't able to get. Maybe I was not looking at the correct people to guide me, or maybe there
yes.
was some other error. But the thing is,
No.
I wasn't able to do. So I'm just
Okay.
hoping that someone will do it for me once. If you do it once, and if you guide me on how to do it,
Yes,
I will
yes sir, definitely.
continue.
Definitely.
Yeah, so I'll continue to do that in the future. That's the aim. Okay.
Yes.
So you can see this app. It generates a projection of lines. We can click on the steps. It will generate it. We can also change the values here. Okay, inclination with VP and all. Okay. We change these values and again click on draw.
Yeah.
Change the values and click it. It will solve and generate it. So that is how the
Yes.
app has been designed. And based on these values, even the steps will be generated. Okay. All this is
Yes.
done straight away from this HTML code only. So some styling code is included here. Head includes some style code. Then in the body we have just one
Sir.
main program. Okay. So just that main program. Once we call that main program, it's somewhere here. Somewhere here. And yeah, here it is. Default. Okay. So this is having the main code which is doing all the drawing part. Okay. So there is one function which does all the calculations. There's one function which is doing all the calculations. I think this one is doing all the calculations. Fine. Once all the calculations are done, there is one more function which is drawing everything. So this function is drawing everything. I think. Okay, here.
Okay.
So calculation and drawing both are happening here.
Yes, sir.
But when I created the app, when I tried to include the ad mob or whatever it was,
And
yeah,
ads.
ad mob
Ads.
ads display, it didn't show up correctly. And I'll just show
Mm.
you my AdSense account as well. And login. So now when I open AdSense, it is displaying two options. One is for YouTube. You can see at the top I have for YouTube, and then this is something else. I don't know what this is. This is zero.
You can use this.
Yes, ma.
So once go to this ads section, site section.
Site section. I had tried to set it up, but I think we don't have any sites.
Click on ad site.
Site.
Right side.
Okay. URL.
URL. Yes, sir. Site URL.
But I
Go
don't
to
have this one now. I have free version of it. I don't think it will accept it. Will
yes,
it?
sir.
This is the free WordPress link. Publisher ID it is providing. Copy paste below.
Copy that publisher. Okay, sir. That is nothing but that ads.txt file.
Mm-hmm.
In that file, this publisher ID will be shown.
Okay. So where I should paste this?
In WordPress dashboard. So in WordPress dashboard, we have to install a plugin called ads.txt manager.
Okay. Mm-hmm. That is not possible in free version, right?
So we can install plugins, right?
But plugins it doesn't allow to install on the free version. If I go to
We'll see.
WordPress.com,
Okay, sir,
if
we'll
I
see that.
go WP admin now, what is it? Yeah, here.
WP admin.
So this is the interface. If I go to plugins, it won't allow me to install any plugins.
Yes, sir.
It asks me to buy it, and only after buying it, I can add it. That's what it says. Okay, it's displaying the amount 711. Oh. My aim is not to invest anything. Without investing, if something is possible, I want to continue doing it.
It's possible, sir. It's possible.
Mm. Because
We may
throughout India there will be
we may
many
take
educators like me who who would like to
yes, sir. We may
publish
take some
something. Yeah.
free domains also.
Yeah. Hello, your sound is going down, no?
2 months back, domains will sir. Some domains are free with a .ml like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hosting.
Even I
Hello.
tried some free domains, but even
Sir,
those free
is this
domains.
clear?
Yes, yes, yes. It's clear. Tell me. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma. You're audible. Are you getting my sound? Hello.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
So that's what.
So some websites like Freenom.
Mm,
Freenom. Sir,
mm.
are you aware of Freenom?
Free
Freenom. Nom.
GNOME.
FRNOM. That's
Free
the first website.
NOME. First one.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Early cancer detection company.
No, sir. Not NOME. NOM.
NOM.
Second, all right. A name for everyone, right?
Yeah. Find a free domain.
Actually, it was giving free domains.
Mm-hmm. But that too, it will give only for
It,
limited time. After that, we have to pay it, right?
for 1 year, it gave free domains, sir.
Mm.
After 1 year, we may take premium or we may purchase another domain.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Is it possible to do that app? I've not touched the app also for a long, long time.
Yeah, okay.
The next version of the app is
Okay, sir.
under development. Okay, so we have to
Yes,
upgrade
sir.
it.
We'll see that.
Mm. You know how to do the app development also? Anyone in your class are interested?
In my class, I think I don't know anyone, sir, in class
Mm.
who are aware of this.
Okay.
I can create user interface, but coding, I can't manage coding, but I can manage everything about user interface.
User interface, it's easy to manage. Huh?
Using
That's the
R,
easy part. Mm.
okay, using, okay, also I'm aware of Codular or Thunkable also.
Mm-hmm. That's the difficult part actually.
Thunkable, Thunkable, we have Thunkable websites.
Mm-hmm. Yasir has joined.
There are in-
Yasir, do you know anything about app
okay.
development? Ma?
No, sir.
Yeah.
We can develop apps from Thunkable also, sir.
Ready-made apps, huh?
By using drag and drop technology.
Drag and drop, it's not optimized. The apps will be very, very slow. I tried using
Um,
that, but the app was very, very
okay.
small. Very slow,
Yes.
sluggish, very slow, and all
It
these
will
problems.
it will take very time for loading.
Yeah, that's it.
Takes lot of time for loading.
I don't want that kind of a thing. I want something which is optimized, fast to load.
For optimization we have to use coding.
Yeah, that's what. Any plans in future to learn about this Android programming and all coding?
Already we started C language, sir.
C language is very basic now. But can you develop an app with C language?
It's basic.
With C
Yes, sir.
language
C
can,
language is mother of all languages.
of course, it is
By
mother of all
by
languages, but
by
she
C
has
language
she has become very
apart
old. And,
it is old, but apart from C language,
mm,
uh, and Python also, sir.
yeah, Python. I think with Python we can develop Android apps.
Python,
Huh?
Py- yes, sir. By using Python, we can develop Android also. Even in my website, Python and PHP is used.
Mm-hmm.
Python is very optimized. Also, it is very secure, sir.
Mm-hmm. If you learn something about
R
graphics,
R is more secure than Python.
okay, okay,
We can use Python
that's what. That's what. I'm not aware about Python. I'll be.
graphics.
I'm ready to learn it if it is helping me to develop the app further. But I'm not sure which language I can use for
No,
graphic purpose. Wherever I have seen
sir.
the tutorials and all, it basically deals with calculations
Your
and other stuff.
audio is not clear.
Okay, now is it clear? Hello? I think your
No,
internet connection is slow, no? Because
Sir, your voice is clear only.
yeah, that's what. Sanath, I think there is some problem with your internet connection. Shift to a better place. I think that should help. I was talking about what is that? Yeah, app development. Wherever I've seen app development, they mostly talk about calculations and other stuff. I'm interested in the graphical aspects of it. And like this, what I've used here, this is called as canvas. And this canvas, I have drawn the objects on canvas using JavaScript. So I didn't find any other option like game development and other options. I think they should allow us to make such diagrams and other stuff. But I want to know how to do that and which part of that language I have to learn in order to control geometry on the canvas like this. Okay, that's what I'm interested in. If any one of you knows about that, you can just update me. We can work out some and collaborate and develop this
sir.
app
Your
further.
voice is not getting.
Voice, my others are
Oh,
getting the voice
video.
clearly. Everyone is getting voice clear. I think there is a problem with your connection or something else. Once please check it. Okay. Fine. So I think we have spent about 1 hour. So I think it's time better to conclude our topic for today discussion today. We discussed in the beginning about what is
Yes, sir.
Cadimate. I explained about Cadimate. Then Sanath came up and he explained how to set up WordPress website by taking hosting data. After that, near the end, we discussed about the app Edimate. And so the app that I developed, I showed you the code which I had coded it slowly. After a lot of failures, I was finally able to attain this. And the aim is to develop this app further to develop diagrams for other topics also. Right now, it can generate only projection of lines, and that too for a few limited these things for a few limited conditions. A lot of time it fails to provide a solution. Right? Whenever the values uh, cross a certain limit, the answer will not be possible at all, and in such cases the app just fails. Okay, it either gets stuck or it doesn't display anything at all. Right? So those are all the problems that I want to resolve. And also there are some other features I want to add in the app, like for example pinch zooming I'm unable to do right now in my app. Okay, so if it is possible for us to do pinch zooming, and if the students can see any part of the diagram more clearly, then it will be more useful to the students, is what I think. And also if the students are able to select the geometry in this thing, if I click here, nothing is getting selected. Fine, I cannot see what is the length of this particular thing, or what this length is called or something. Okay, all these things are not clear. So I want to add those features in the coming time. If anyone of you is really interested into these things, game development or app development, and if you know JavaScript, HTML, or Python, or any other language which allows us to create a full-fledged app for Android or for iOS, then you can get in touch with me. We can discuss, and we can finally come up with an app which is fully functional and also has a lot of other features, a lot of other desired features. Okay, anything you want to? Yes, ma?
Sir, we can use HTML for graphics now.
Yeah, HTML is basically for text purpose only. Fine. So all this data that I have created, it is with HTML only I have created it.
No, we can
And
create pictures as well, no?
pictures is not that easy. Okay, pictures are not that easy. There are some options for creating rectangles, circles, applying some shading and all, but it has a lot of limitations on it. Okay,
Okay.
so mostly we use that for user interface, for developing user interface alone. We cannot use it for game development like character movement or some custom things
For
like
animation, we can't use.
animation. I think it is possible. Animation also is possible. We can make the rectangle move from left to right, or to change its length and breadth a little, and or to to keep to create an object and move it on the screen such that it bounces from the boundaries and all. So such simple animations are possible. But I wasn't able to create lines like this. That's my primary requirement. Okay, I need a drawing space on which I can create lines or a combination of lines to create solids and other stuff. Okay, that is the primary aim.
Yes.
I've also
Sir,
started. Oh yes, ma'am.
what language are used in this app?
I've used basically three things. HTML for text. For text, it's all HTML. For these colors and shadows and all, no, I have used CSS.
Oh,
Okay, so CSS is used for background shadows, colors, and all other effects. For text and all, HTML is used. And finally, for doing all the calculations and for drawing this diagram, I've used JavaScript.
okay, sir.
So if you are interested in learning about this app, how to create this app, how to develop this app further, you can contact me. I think near the final year you'll have to do a mini
Projects,
project,
interns.
yeah, mini
Yes, sir.
project, major project. So for
Yes, sir.
mini project, I think you can use this app as a
Okay,
something. Okay.
okay, sir. We'll definitely.
So I'm hopeful that today's session was useful to you all, and for those who are watching this on live stream. Okay, very few people actually came today for live stream because I think this topic was not useful to many of them, so they didn't stay back for a long period. Maximum of two concurrent viewers were there. Average time is less than a minute. Anyway, no problem. I'll be continuing these live streams in the coming time, and hopefully, if you are an educator, you can contact me to collaborate with me. If you are a student, you can also you can still contact me, and if our collaboration helps us out, helps both of us out, it's very much helpful to both of us without any financial investment, that is to say. Okay, so you might get my course to use for free, and you might end up giving me some help with the things. Okay, so Sanat, are you sharing any Jamboard or anything?
Sir?
You have shared any Jamboard, huh?
No, sir, no.
Twice in the comments it has appeared here. Access is denied. Anyway, so I think we'll stop this session for today here. Anything else from anyone else?
Sir, when are these sections starting for app development?
It is an ongoing process, ma. I'll be working whenever I'm free. I'll be working on the app developments. Okay. So
So
if
you'll share, you will teach us online, right? Live. You will teach us live.
yeah, I'll be sharing the screen and live streaming whatever developments I'm doing. So if you are interested in that, better subscribe to the channel. Whenever there is a live stream about app development, you can join. You can put it in the comment section. And if you are really interested, I'll share this one Google Meet link also. I will share to you so that you can talk with me and we can collaboratively work out these things. Okay.
Okay, so you will be doing streamings on only holidays, right? Only on the holiday.
Holidays or whenever I get a time, even in college, if I'm getting time, I'll be hosting it. I'll be streaming the sessions. If you're having class, no problem. You can watch the stream later
Oh,
and you
okay,
can get in touch with me. Okay.
okay.
So these things take time. I understand. Even for this single app, also, it took me more than 5 to 6 months to bring it in this format, the way you see it right now. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
So hundreds of failures are there, and after each failure I had to try other options, how to solve those things, how to rectify those things, and only after rectifying it completely it has reached this stage. And I want to
Okay.
take this beyond this stage, but I have certain limitations, right? As an educator, I'll be busy in teaching the courses, course development and all those things, and there will be a lot of academic work also, and
Okay.
that puts a limit on how much innovative I can be with other aspects. And I'm hopeful that that is where the students will take initiative. They'll come forward and help me go beyond what I am right now. Okay.
Okay.
In fact, the aim of Cadimate is to engage students in other professional activities related to study material development,
Okay.
which is actually helpful to them when they go for a job interview and all. Okay. So right now,
Yeah.
if our college syllabus and all, they are not providing you with a real time experience. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you just study a few things from whatever is there in the syllabus, and then when you go for an interviewer will expect you to have at least some experience in developing some product which others must have used. You know,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
that is not possible within the limits of
Within
our curriculum.
college.
So we have to think something beyond the curriculum, and that is what I am trying to do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. With
Sir,
the food.
we have like internals from Jan 10, right?
Mhm.
You can start next sessions after internals.
I'll be doing the sessions whenever I get time. Mostly, I think these days I'll be very busy in developing question banks for your Moodle course. Okay, engineering graphics.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so if I get a time and interest in app session, I'll do the recording and keep it online. Whenever you get time after the mid exams, you can open the live stream and watch it. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, in
So
the modal side also there are some bugs
yeah,
and
some
issues.
bugs. What happened is they changed the server recently. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
while changing the server, they took a backup from the old server and
Uh,
transferred it to the new server. So
mm,
while transferring that, the images were not copied. It seems.
okay.
Okay, images didn't get copied, and that is what is creating problem with a lot of questions. And I tried editing the quizzes, but it's not allowing me to edit because some students have already attempted the quiz. So marks that the students have got in that quiz, they will have to be reset. Okay, that's why I'm not deleting those quizzes. Maybe I have to create new question bank and new quizzes. That is the only way we can sort this out. Or the person who is handling our server, he is trying to restore the images also. If he's able to do it, well and good. If he's unable to do it, I will have to create all the quizzes again. So this is some time consuming process. Okay. So anything
Okay.
else from your end?
No, 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 sir. Thank you.
So if you have any interest, any ideas, any suggestions for improving further, or if you have seen any technologies that we can use for improving the teaching learning experience, you can share your ideas anytime. So good thing is we have merged the engineering graphics group on WhatsApp. Both A and B section students have joined this group. So here
Yes.
onwards, I'll be sharing whatever data or messages I am sharing on this common group itself. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So if any of your friends have not joined, you can tell them to join it. For A section, I had already created a separate WhatsApp group because official group was not present at that time. But for B section, because of all the disturbances and your dynamic nature, time was not sufficient to control you and to get you on a WhatsApp group. It got late, and by that time, your official account WhatsApp group had been created, and that's why engineering graphics I was not able to create a separate group for you. But now it's a good thing both are on the same page, and next time onwards, when I share a poll or anything, all of you can give it together. So even today is the same thing happened. You see, A section students, 20 students voted for 2 to 3 session, but for B section, the same poll, 32 students have voted for 6 to 7. This one. I thought instead of canceling 2 to 3 session, we will use it for other innovative purposes. Sanat volunteered to help me out with the blog and all, and this is how the session came up. Okay. Anyway, so see you again at 6 p.m. The 6 p.m. session will be specifically for engineering graphics. You can share your experience, your ideas, what you felt during answering the Moodle. Was it very tough? Was it very easy? Or did you learn something new from this and all those things? And if you have any suggestions for improving it further, and if you want to work in developing the quizzes, that also you can volunteer, and I'm ready to give you a chance to do that as well, because there is some redundant work. Redundant means the same repetitive work is there. So that work, if you help me a little bit, I can focus on the newer stuff rather than just repeating the work. Okay. So that's it for now. If you have any other thing to discuss, you can tell me, or else I'll just close the session.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.